Does your home feel heavy lately? Do arguments start for no reason? Do you feel restless when you walk through your own front door? I am here to change the atmosphere. I am here to bring peace back to your family. Imagine my holy fire burning in the center of your home. It is not a fire that destroys, but a fire that cleanses. I am sweeping away every shadow, every negative word spoken within these walls, every hidden anxiety keeping you awake. In the name of Jesus, I command every spirit of confusion, anger, and sickness to leave this property right now. You have no place here. Now, I want you to do this with me. In your mind, walk to the front door of your house. Imagine opening it wide. Invite me in. Say, Jesus, you are the master of this house. As I enter, I place a mark of protection over your doorpost. Evil shall pass over this home. Disaster shall not come near your dwelling. I see your children. I see your spouse. I see those you love who are far away. I cover them with my feathers. Even if they are not listening to this prayer, my protection extends to them because of your faith. Your home is now a sanctuary. The heavy air is gone. Take a deep breath.